Today we're going to talk for a few minutes about the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, or OBBA. I haven't seen anybody call it OBBA, so I'm going to take credit for that. I've now named this bill OBBA in the financial planning community, but it's a big new piece of tax legislation. I want to go through one example that's going to help some people and hurt some people. They expanded the SALT deduction. So your state and local income tax, which is SALT, plus your real estate taxes, for a long, long time have been deductible. For the last 8 years, they've been capped at $10,000, all income levels. Now, they raised that $10,000 deduction up to $40,000. So if you make $200,000 a year, you get to deduct $30,000 more dollars, assuming that you were capped and maxed out before on things like state income tax and real estate tax. So the good news is if you make less than $500,000 a year, you just got a bigger tax deduction. It's very simple. If you make more than $500,000 a year, it got a little complicated. So there's now a new phase out. If you make $501,000, you start to lose some of this new tax deduction. So for every $1,000 that you add to your income, you're not only paying more tax like any income, you're actually losing deduction at the same time. So maybe your tax is 32% plus you're losing deduction. You could see effective tax rates up into the 40-45% range. So that's the bad news. The bad news is if you make $500,000 or more, you're going to get into a really complicated planning world. How our team is going to address this for clients is you start looking at trying to get creative about maybe what year you could receive income or which year you could take deductions. For instance, there's going to be a slew of people who might want to delay paying their real estate tax into 2026. That's when this becomes effective. On the other side of that coin, you might have people take more advantage of things like non-qualified deferred compensation plans. If you can defer money pre-tax in 2026 and you're in this $500,000 to $600,000 range, that deduction used to be worth 30-something%. Now it's worth 40-something% to a bunch of people. So like all tax law, things got more complicated. Good for some, it's bad for some. A lot of our clients are going to be impacted. If you are not talking about this now, call your financial advisor at Fraser Financial. You can go read our blog. We'll put a link here in the post, or reach out to our concierge at Fraser Financial email address.